Do you know this popular street food dish that's loved by many Filipinos? It can contain various meats, vegetables, and other ingredients. This is Kikiam. Let's make our very own Filipino-style Kikiam. It's actually really easy to make, tasty, and very affordable compared to store-bought. In a large bowl, put 1 can sardines, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon onion, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 cup cornstarch, 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix all of the ingredients until you get a paste-like mixture. If it's too dry and hard, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Now take 1 teaspoon of mixture and roll it in your palm. Repeat until the mixture is all done. You can make about 50 pieces of kikiam from this mixture. You can freeze some of them and steam or fry them anytime you want. Let's cook! Fry them over low to medium heat. Fry each side for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they're golden brown. And that's it! This goes great with my sweet and sour sauce recipe that I will share with you on the next video. I will leave a link in the description box. That's it! Another craving satisfied. What other cravings do you have? Let me know in the comment section below so we can make it in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video made you hungry. Thanks for watching! See you in the next video.